Hi everyone, I am Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. Happy Friday for those of you joining me for the first time today. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in D.C. And I come on here to talk to you about immigration, to maybe provide some more clarity about some immigration questions that you might have. Of course, everything we provide is general information. If you'd like to have a confidential consultation, I would encourage you to call our office. You can do that by calling 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. We do work with U.S. immigration only, but we work with all types of immigration cases. So we have employment cases where employers are sponsoring individuals for work visas, temporary work visas, and permanent green cards. We also work with individuals bringing family members from abroad or sponsoring family members that are already here in the United States. And we work with humanitarian clients that have had that have experienced a crime, or they've been a victim of a crime, they've been trafficked, or perhaps they're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and they're a victim of abuse in that marriage. So we help with different types of humanitarian cases, as well as employment cases and family cases as well. So if it's immigration related, feel free to give us a call to have a confidential consultation to talk about your case. But if you have friends or family that want to tune in here or want to give us a call about their specific immigration case, please have them call and schedule a consultation. And they can do that by calling 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Ekicam, thank you for following us. We're streaming on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube right now. So TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. We also have an Instagram page if you guys prefer Instagram. So feel free to follow us, like us on all these. This is when you guys get notified when we go live, and also when we have updates, immigration updates that we want to share with you. To stay informed, make sure you follow us and like us on our social media platforms. Thank you again, Nikki Kim, for following us here on TikTok. But again, same, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok as well. All right. Well, thank you guys again for joining. If you think someone else might be interested in this immigration conversation, share this post with them, and they can also join us this time or perhaps next time. All right. So the question I wanted to talk to you, I have good over evil. Thank you for following us. Again, a reminder to you guys for following and make sure you follow and like us on our social media platforms. If you're just getting to know me, say hello, tell me where you're watching from, introduce yourself. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the United States, and we help with so many different types of immigration issues. I love Fridays, especially because we have a lot of approvals that come on Fridays. So we just received a green card approval this morning, which is really exciting. So I look forward to Fridays for many reasons, but one of the things is we get our approvals often on Fridays, so it's actually very exciting for us, which is why I love Fridays. But I want to talk to you today about VAWA, right? So if some of you are unfamiliar with VAWA, we work on these case types a lot. It's a humanitarian green card option for many people. So it can be a green card option for many people. So our most common VAWA case type is someone who is married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. They either entered the U.S. illegally, or they entered on something like a tourist visa and their status expired, and they are experiencing abuse in their marriage, or maybe they're no longer with this person but did experience abuse in that marriage. And that type of the abuse that we talk about here for VAWA purposes, it can be physical, but most of our clients actually do not have physical abuse present in that relationship. So it's more focused on emotional abuse, threatening behavior, controlling behavior, financial abuse, mental and verbal abuse, right? So these are the types of abuses that will help our client qualify for VAWA. Essentially, if they do qualify, they are able to, if they qualify for VAWA and a green card, they are able to receive work authorization in about 7 months from the time they apply. This is even if they've had an illegal entry right into the US. They receive work authorization, they receive travel authorization to leave and come back, and they will receive a VAWA approval in about 1.5 to 2 years and a green card approval after that. So that is sort of the timeline for our clients that have been that qualify for VAWA and a green card. Okay. All right. Valine says, please, how long do I need to suffer abuse before qualifying for VAWA? That is a great question. So how long do I need to have suffered abuse before qualifying for VAWA? So there is no time period that is required. All right, so there's no required time period. What the government wants to see, if you're doing VAWA based on an abusive marriage, right? If you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, so that's one, that your spouse is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, that you've lived with them for any amount of time, so it can only be a short while, but as long as you've lived with them, that it's a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes, and that there's abuse. So there's no minimum time period of marriage or minimum time period of abuse required for VAWA. So call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the United States. We help them with all types of immigration questions, immigration cases. All right. What is the battered spouse waiver, right? So what is the battered spouse waiver? So some people are unsure about what this is. Why would I need it? Can I apply for it, right? So the battered spouse waiver refers to when you're going from a 2-year green card to a 10-year green card. So when you first get married and you apply for a green card, if you have been married less than 2 years at the time that you receive your green card, what's going to happen is you will get a 2-year conditional green card. So you have all the rights of a green card holder, but before that 2-year green card expires, typically you go with your spouse, you apply for that 10-year green card and show that it's a real marriage and it wasn't just for immigration purposes. But what happens sometimes is that the spouse is abusive, right? So you get married, the spouse is abusive, and they're refusing to go with you to that permanent green card interview. They're refusing to continue helping with that green card. Maybe you don't even live with them anymore. Maybe you're divorced even, or you're in the process of divorce. So there is an option for people here in these relationships that have broken down or are in the process of breaking down, where you can apply for that 10-year green card on your own without the help of your spouse, right? So what you want to show to the government at this point is that you entered into the marriage in good faith, that you were intending to build a relationship with this person. It wasn't just for immigration purposes, and that there was abuse in that marriage. This is one way where you, without your spouse, can go from that 2-year green card to that 10-year green card. All right. If we can help you with this, please give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney here in the Washington, D.C. We're in Washington, D.C. We help many clients in the Washington, D.C. metro area, but we also help clients located all throughout the United States. We help clients that are located even outside of the United States as well. So if you would like to call us to talk about your immigration case, if you need assistance with your immigration case, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And my name again is Pratibha Agarwal. If you can't call right now to schedule a consultation, you can also schedule one by going to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or going to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. And you can schedule that right now. That's a great option to see my availability and book your consultation right now, just so you can see my calendar, get on my calendar, and get moving, right, to get started with your immigration case and figuring out your immigration options, especially if you are married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, that marriage is abusive. This is your first step to being able to apply for immigration benefits, possibly a green card, without the help of your spouse, right? So give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. We're in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the United States, but we can help you no matter where you are. If you want to come to the office, you are always welcome to come to the office. I would say make an appointment so we can have time to sit with you and talk to you about your concerns. So feel free to come to the DC office. If you'd like to do an in-person appointment, schedule an in-person appointment. If you are not in DC and you want to work with us, we still help clients no matter where they are in the US. The majority of our clients are located in other parts of the country or other parts of the world. So we can help you through phone, through Zoom, through mail, right? And we have an online portal as well. So no matter where you are located, we can talk to you about your case and help you and represent you with your immigration case. Okay, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. Call us if we can help you with your immigration case. We do only work with immigration cases. We don't work with anything that is not immigration. So keep that in mind. We only work with immigration cases. So feel free to reach out to us if we can help you with that, okay? Perfect, great. Let's see. Valen says, thank you so much. Can I apply for a VAWA if I'm still living with my spouse? That's a great question. Can I apply for VAWA if I am still living with my spouse? Yes, yes. We have had much success with clients getting VAWA approvals and they're still living with their abusive spouse. So there's no requirement that you move out. There is no requirement that you get divorced or get separated. You can still be married. You can still be living with your spouse and qualify for VAWA, and many times qualify for VAWA and a green card. Give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all over the United States. To start your case with us, you should call the office or schedule a consultation via our Facebook page or our website. There is a contact form on there, and you can choose and book your consultation directly from our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Okay. I look forward to speaking with many of you for a consultation. Our consultations are done in person, Zoom, or by phone. So in person, Zoom, or by phone. All right. Jas says, hey, I'm from India. Can I travel to Canada on my VAWA AP while my asylum case is open and pending? I'm going to tell you, I do not think you should travel on VAWA AP. I know many of my clients do. Sometimes they don't listen to me and they want to travel on their VAWA advanced parole. I would say hold off on that until you have a VAWA approval and possibly a green card approval as well. So I would wait in order to do that. And that is my advice to all of my VAWA clients, okay? I am very conservative though, as you will see. Cypria says, I applied for a 751 divorce and it's been 4 years and 11 months. Should I wait to apply for citizenship or should I wait 5 years to apply? So you can apply for citizenship if you qualify, right? If you qualify, if you're about to be eligible for that, of course, you should apply. I would suggest that you apply for citizenship. Sometimes that speeds up your 751 interview as well. So that might be a strategy to kind of move this case along a little bit faster. But just know that your 751 removal of conditions has to be decided first before they can make a decision on your citizenship application. Okay, I hope that helped you, Cypria. Give us a call if we can help, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Kamal says, my VAWA case biometrics have been completed. What is the next step? So the next step, you should be receiving your work authorization and your travel authorization if you applied for that, okay? Multiverse says, is Potomac Service Center faster? So Potomac Service Center faster. You don't have an option of choosing a service center, right? It depends on where you live. So you have to apply for where the service center, which is supposed to be for your address. Okay, so you don't get to pick where you apply. So keep that in mind. Service centers also transfer your case. So if they get delayed, they're going to transfer it to another service center. So don't worry about that. Just follow the instructions, apply for your case wherever you think, wherever you have to, right? You don't really have a choice. You don't get to pick service centers. Okay, give us a call if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all over the United States with their immigration applications. I think I saw most of your questions. All right, I think I got to most of your questions. Another one here is, what is VAWA cancellation of removal? So what is VAWA cancellation of removal? So VAWA cancellation of removal is something that you can ask for if you qualify in removal proceedings. So if you are being removed, you have a hearing in immigration court, one of the forms of relief is something called a VAWA cancellation of removal, right? If you apply for that, then you can be prevented from being removed. I hope that helps you. And that can be, VAWA cancellation of removal is something specific to being in removal proceedings and asking for this relief form while you are in immigration court. If you're not in immigration court, okay, then you apply for VAWA if you qualify. All right, I hope that helps you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all over the United States with their immigration applications. Thank you so much, you guys. I think that is all I have here for today, and I don't see any other questions. Again, just a reminder to follow us and like us on our social media platforms. We are on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok right now. That's Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. If you have friends or family that might want to join us next time, please share this with them. I would love to chat with them about their immigration cases or have them join us in this conversation. And I will see you again soon, early next week, and hopefully I can touch base with you all then. Join me again, share this with others, follow us, like us, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Happy Friday again, everybody. And I will see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye.